Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the home screen. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, the second section is connected with the system navigation, so let's enter. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we've got the buttons which are currently applied, and we've got the gestures on the right. And before we will set the gestures, I'd like to simply show you the options which are connected to buttons. So if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, you can customize it, so you can mirror the buttons, so you can mirror the back and the menu buttons. You can turn it on or off, so it simply will reorder the back button and the recents. It's up to you. Here we've got also the button shortcuts. You can set the ones you'd like to use. So for example, the Google Assistant, show menu, or launch recents. Of course, you can tap on it, and here you've got some options which you can choose, which you can customize. And here we've got the option to automatically disable navigation buttons. So of course you can do it. You can tap on it and here pick the app. So in order to set the gestures, all you have to do is to simply tap on this option here, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial, but I don't want to do it right now. Of course, I'll show you how to use the gestures. What's more, here we've got the animation. So under it, we've got again some options thanks to which we can customize the gestures. So we can hide full screen indicator, so we can hide this line, and I want to turn it on because I really prefer this kind of a clean look without the line. Here we've got the gesture confirmation. So sometimes, for example, when you're playing, your device will ask you to double the gesture to confirm it. So for example, the back button, you will have to do it twice. Here we've got the gesture demos, so you can of course check them. So basically, now let me show you how to use the gestures. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that, until you'll see this arrow. And it doesn't really matter from which side you will do it, because it will work from the left but also from the right side. So that's how to get back to the previous page. If you'd like to get back to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, you have to do the same motion, do the same gesture. So swipe your finger up to the center, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, after releasing the recents will be opened. So basically that's all. This is how to change the system navigation type to the gestures in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.